Hi guys, let us learn how to use the ebook feature in the PGME app. So I have opened the home dashboard. If you go to the bottom rightmost corner, there is a document button. Just click on it. So it will open the ebook section. So after buying the ebook, the book will appear in this section. For better readability and use, I would recommend you to download the book. Just click on the download icon. So as you can see, the book is now downloaded successfully. So after downloading, we will just look into the book. The book has opened. Let us now go into any page. So I'll just open this page. So let us learn all the features of the ebook. First, going to the header section, the first button is the bookmark section. So the first, on clicking on the bookmark button, the page is saved. So you can say it is turned into dark blue color. Okay. So if you want to see on the saved bookmark page, just go to the next button. So you can see page 279. If you want to add any note or you want to label the bookmark page, just click on the plus icon. Add bookmark note has come up, so I will just label it randomly now as cultural. This is the heading. I'm clicking on save. So you can see the page is saved as cultural. Okay. So on clicking on cross icon, the bookmark page will be gone. So this was related to bookmark, how you can save the bookmark option. Third option is the bulb icon, which signifies the sleep awakeness of the screen. On clicking, the screen will not sleep. It is for long duration of reading, to help you to read long without the screen sleeping out automatically. So on turning on, it has turned into dark color. Okay, I'll just remove this. The next icon is the auto rotate option. On clicking the auto rotate, the screen will turn into auto. But before that, you have to check the auto rotate settings. So I'll just click on the auto rotate settings. Now if I click on auto rotate, yes, so you can see the page has auto rotated. I'll just turn it off. The next icon is the day and night settings of the reading app. On clicking, it turns into night mode. The night mode icon can be seen as the colored one, right? And the next option is the search option. If I click on the search button, it will give me the option to search. I'll just click on vaccine and just click on this. So it will show me all the pages with the vaccine search. On clicking, so I can click up and down pages, so it will show me the listing. So let's go back to the previous page. I'm going to the bookmark. I've already saved the page, so I'm just clicking on there. So this is the same page I was there before. Okay, so this was the header section. Let us move into the footer section of the ebook. In the ebook below, you can see there are 4 options: highlight, underline, notes, and undo option. Undo option is only available when you have already highlighted or underlined anything. Okay, only in that condition it might be visible. Okay, now we have made it visible for your reference. Okay, so let us go into the highlight option. So there are 2 ways to use the first option, highlight. Okay, either you can directly long press on any button to be highlighted. Okay, so in that condition, it will give you 4 color options to use for highlighting. I'll just use this one. Okay, so the color is portion is highlighted. Okay, so suppose you want to remove the portion. So there are 2 ways to use it. I'll show you both. First you just click on the portion which is highlighted. Okay, I have clicked on it. So as soon as I click on it, it will show me the highlighted portion. Okay, and the second option is adding notes. Third is remove highlight. So if I click on remove highlight, this will go away. Now there is another way also to highlight. I just click on the highlighted button here and it will give me a prompt to first long press. Okay, again the same thing that we did previously. So I'm again highlighting the same portion. Okay, now again I'm choosing a color. This time I'll choose a different color. I'll choose a green color. Okay, so the portion is highlighted. To again remove it, there are two options. First you click on the highlighted portion. As soon as I click on the highlight portion, it will give me the prompt to remove highlight. So either I can use this remove highlight portion, or I can directly use the undo button here. Okay, the rightmost undo button, fourth option. So additionally, just clicking on the highlighted portion will also give me another options. Okay, so after clicking on here, we can see there is an option to add note. Now this option is given. Suppose you want to add a title to that note, or you want to add an extra lines to those notes. Both ways. I'll just use it. So I am giving it a title called Anthropology. Okay, I'm clicking on save. So you can see note is saved as Anthropology. Yeah, this was the highlighted feature. Okay, now let's move to the next, underline. So you can see the second button. This is called the underline button. Okay, now this works similar to the highlight feature. In both ways, you can either long press on the portion to be underlined or use the underline button. So I'll just go ahead. I'm clicking on the underline button. So it is giving me a prompt to first select the portion to be underlined. Okay, so I'm just clicking on it. So I want to underline this part. So there is an option called U. I'll just have to, here you can see there is an option after the color segment, U button. Just have to click on this. So the portion is underlined. So as soon as I click on this underline portion, it is giving me a similar pattern as in highlight. So there are options. There it is first showing me the underlined lines, then there is a option called add notes, and then remove underline. Okay, so add notes will give a title to the underline part, or you have to additionally add more lines to the underlined segment. So here I will just add a title to it. Okay, labeled it as archaeology. I'm clicking on save. So the highlighted portion is underlined and also labeled as archaeology, as you can see. Okay, so to remove it, either I can use the remove underline option here, or I can just use the undo button on the bottom section. Okay, so this was related to underline. Now let us move to the third option. This is notes section. Okay, here you can see in the bottom button it is notes section. Okay, so after clicking on the notes section, there are existing notes list. So in the highlighted portion, I had made a notes for archaeology. That can be seen here. Second is the underlined, the anthropology that I had underlined, and this is the okay. So sorry, archaeology and anthropology. So either you can also delete this existing notes by clicking on the delete option here, or if you want to add any extra notes, you just have to click on the plus add notes option. So you will be prompted to first type the page number for which you are giving the notes reference. Okay. Okay, so this page is 267 page. Okay, so 267. Okay, I'll add just RQ and anthro notes. I'll just click on save. So you can see notes are saved. Okay, so you can just go back again and look into those notes. So this was related to the notes section. So these all features are related to ebook. So we have studied about the header section features. We have also studied the footer section options of the ebook. Additionally, if you want to also read the ebook along with video, we have that option as well. I'll just go to this option. So this video is
effects of communicable diseases.
So this is the video that is playing. So just you have to click on this option, read notes alongside. I'll just click on it. I'll open the relevant book. Yes, so the relevant book is opened. Okay, so I can use it.
The paper 4, the research methodology, the surveillance, etc. The miscellaneous things are important.
You can also use this in the rotate option. So I'll just click on the rotate option. Yes, so it is also used in the rotate option.
Paper 4.
You can see I can easily scroll down.
Now coming to
But kindly note that this rotate option will not be available with the editing option. So the editing features like highlight, underline, these all features will not be there. This is only for the reference looking for the ebook. Okay, if you want to just refer the notes alongside the video, for that purpose this feature has been given. Additionally, at the end also I would like to note that the ebook is available only inside the app to read and download, not outside. Thank you.